number one, they stay out too long. Tanning is when we truly try to use the body's own energies of giving you a darker glow of the skin by exposing it for a certain length of time to the sun. If you overdo it, if you're out there in the sun for too long, then you can start to actually cause damage to the skin. The skin can start to blister off and cause redness, pain, soreness, and even increase the risk of skin cancer. Another thing that people can do sometimes with tanning, they believe that they don't have to wear any sunscreen to tan. You can put a mild amount of sunscreen on, a thin layer, that will help reduce that damage that can happen to the skin and still end up with a tanning effect from it. But just putting a thin layer of an SPF 30 is actually protective and will still give you that tanning result that you're looking for.